Welcome to a Warmer World informational article by Margaret Anderson. Earth is warming up. Driving cars, burning rainforests, and other human activities send gases like carbon dioxide and methane into the atmosphere where they trap heat. Climate is not the same as weather. Weather is what's happening right now. It changes all the time. Climate is big weather patterns over hundreds or thousands of years. And it's clear that even if the weather today is cold, Earth's climate is heating up. Climate change doesn't always mean hotter summers and warmer winters. Its effects are complicated and hard to predict. As Earth heats up, some areas are getting more rain, others are getting less. High winds that normally circle the Arctic are shifting south, so some places are actually getting colder while the rest of the world heats up. So how will living things cope with this changing world? That's a question lots of scientists are asking. As the ocean warms, sea ice is melting, ocean currents are changing, and storms are getting stronger. One change leads to another, and like falling dominoes, these changes affect the lives of every living thing on Earth, including humans. So how will living things cope with this changing world? That's a question lots of scientists are asking. Will animals and plants change how they live? Will they move to new homes? Or will they go extinct? Earth's climate has been both warmer and colder in the past. Usually it changes very slowly, over tens of thousands of years. Over many generations, the animals that do best with the changes have more offspring, so species gradually adapt and change. But the warming that we're seeing now is happening very fast. This worries scientists. If things change too quickly, will species have enough time to adapt? Most likely, some species will do well and some will suffer. Species that just happen to like the new conditions will thrive. So will generalists, species that are able to live anywhere and eat anything. But many living things will likely have a harder time. What's the best way to help them survive? That's another big question for scientists. One big way humans could help is by making fewer heat-trapping gases. But can we take action in time? That might be the biggest question of all.